Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 desoldering stations. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Soldering 8650 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Soldering. Model number, 8650 Pro. Customized, no. Power, 1300 watts. Voltage, 110 volts and 220 volts. Certifications, CE, FCC, and WEE. Origin, China. Product number 4, a 10ST862D. Specifications. Brand name, a 10. Model number, ST862D. Customized, no. Input voltage, AC 230 volts and 50 Hz, AC 110 volts and 60 Hz. Power, 1000 watts. Temperature range, 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. Origin, China. Product number 3, KC8512P Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, KC. Model number, K8512P. Customized, yes. Power, 700 watts. Input voltage, AC 220 volts to AC 110 volts. Frequency, 50 Hz. Soldering iron temperature range, 200 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Hot air station temperature range, 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius. Hot air station air volume, 120 L, max. Heater material, ceramics. Origin, China. Product number 2, 2-in-1 soldering station. Specifications. Brand name, Soldering. Model number, T3602. Customized, yes. Display, LED digital display. Power consumption, 240 watts. Input voltage, 110 volts to 220 volts. Origin, China. Product number 1, JCD8586D. Specifications. Brand name, JCD. Model number, 8586D. Customized, yes. Voltage, AC 220 to 240 volts or AC 100 to 130 volts. Frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Output power, 700 watts. Weight, 1230 grams. Display screen, LED. Airflow type, brushless fan, gentle wind. Temperature range, 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Air volume, 120 liters per minute, maximum. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.